Hi, I'm Matthew Liquar. I'm one of 3 co-founders at Ynomia. We're a Melbourne, Australia-based construction tech startup. We believe the future of construction is going to be more connected. And by connected, we mean the digitization of processes and workflows using IoT or Internet of Things type technology, which is really attaching sensors to physical objects, tracking, monitoring, and locating workflows off-site or on-site in construction. It's helpful to think of construction as a series of interconnected and dependent workflows. The longest trades are going to drive the entire timing for a project outcome. In construction, often 20% of trades are driving 80% of timing outcomes. So when we can focus in on those trades, track those workflows and track those activities, we can actually provide a level of information that's not currently available. We were fortunate early on in our journey to identify some technology with CSIRO. We've commercialized and developed that technology specifically for construction, and that is a Bluetooth-based tracking and localization system. So we connect physical job sites with the workflows, automating the workflows around processes on a job site. So with the technology Ynomia has developed, we can deploy flexibly to monitor, track, or locate any process, really. With ISPT's Victoria University campus in Melbourne CBD being built by ProBuild, we are combining 3 workflows that we think drive the critical path activities and supporting the team with information in real time that would normally be paper-based documentation that would be disconnected and not visible on a real-time basis. We're tracking facade from supply chain from China, structure and concrete, and operational safety zones. One of the workflows that we're monitoring on the Victoria University project are the safety screens at the top of the building. Safety screens are used to prevent objects falling from height, which is one of the greatest risks on a high-rise building. Those screens have hatches that need to open when those screens are being jumped up the building as the building grows, and that poses a risk for falling objects. Ynomia is attaching sensors to those hatches to monitor in real time the open or closed state and providing data that previously wasn't captured for a high-risk activity. So this will help with continuous improvement activities as well as really identifying risk situations or potential incidents. We're also digitizing the operational safety zones that lie below these screens. These are the areas that are at highest risk for falling objects when screens are being jumped. Previously, this was a paper-based checkout process, and now by digitizing this and the keys corresponding to those operational safety zones, we've linked 2 pieces of safety and productivity so that teams can hopefully build faster and safer. One of the other workflows that we're monitoring at Victoria University is concrete structure. By embedding concrete sensors into core and slab elements for each level, we're able to provide project teams real-time information on maturity of concrete as well as progress of the build. Both of those elements should help drive lower cycle times for critical path activity around formwork and concrete. One of the other core elements of the critical path tracking at Victoria University is the facade supply chain. We're tracking each individual facade unit from production in China to installation on site. This package generally has extremely long lead times, is complicated, and has high value. Providing visibility from production rates in the factory in China to inventory in Australia to what's on site and to what's been installed is an end-to-end solution that provides data to project teams that was really only available in Excel or email updates previously.
Working with Ynomia over the last 12 months, our safety issues are minimalised, our critical path is maximised. We can really plan on how we fit out and finish buildings a hell of a lot more effective than what we used to. We can really govern what the critical path is and communicate that through our teams so much more effectively.
Connected technology like Ynomia's is the basis for the future of construction, providing real-time, up-to-date information to the people that need to make decisions on a daily basis.